Hey folks, today we're going to go over the 2022 Hyper Lite by XLR. This is the 3412 toy hauler that features a side patio, and we are looking at a dry weight of 10,010 pounds, GVWR of 13,388 pounds, overall cargo capacity at 3,378 pounds, with a hitch weight of 1,388 pounds. Exterior height's 12 foot 1 inch. Exterior length is 38 foot 8 inches in total, with a width of 8 feet 5 inches. Freshwater tank is 102 gallons. Black water is 30 gallons. Gray water is 60 gallons with a 20 foot awning. Hey folks, my name's Eric here at RV Wholesalers, and today we're going to go over the 2022 XLR Hyper Lite. This is the 3412. It's got a side patio, a lot of great features in this one. I can't wait to show it to you. Coming on back here, you get this nice storage compartment up here. It's got plenty of room for all of your gear to set up. You know, your lawn chairs, maybe you have a griddle or something that you want to keep in there. Just for reference, you know, we have our 5-gallon bucket that you get complimentary through us with the starter kit. Your hose, there's a table, your battery disconnect, there's your slide out room control box, lights are in here, everything you're going to need to set up or just kind of have an extra compartment for your gear. This is perfect for that. Now moving back here, you see one of the big highlighting features of this toy hauler. It's got the huge side patio right here, and there's a lot of great features up there, and we'll talk more about that when we get in there. But you get these nice flip down aluminum steps, you get nice alloy wheels, nice high gloss exterior finish, and one of the other features that kind of complements this patio is that this awning covers the entire patio, so you're definitely going to have a nice spot to hang out just outside of the side of your trailer and your campsite. Now coming back over to the other side, one thing you don't really see a whole lot is that you don't get a door on this side. This one has another door that you can get out the other side that's not on the patio side. So that way at night when you got to come here and check your sewage line or check one of your utility hookups or something like that, you can actually come out this side and have an easy path to it. You don't have to walk around the trailer in the middle of the night worrying about tripping over stuff. So having that extra door there is a huge feature. It's really nice to have. Another huge feature to have on a toy hauler is this 30-gallon fuel cell. You get these 30-gallon fuel cells on board for your ATVs and your side-by-sides, your dirt bikes, things like that. Having that extra 30 gallons means that you're not going to have to constantly make trips in and out of town to get gas to fill up your toys. Now, we're going to start looking on the inside of this thing, but I wanted to start out back here. Nice patio setup. This thing is awesome. You know, it's you get your patio door that also seconds as your toy hauler ramp. There's a nice gate right back here. You get these little side flaps right here, and people might think, well, what are those for? Well, there's this little gap right here, and if you have your small dog out here or whatnot, you can hook these up right over around to the side of the trailer on the little tabs, and you got protection so your dog can't squeeze out of the little spot there. Now coming inside, we get these nice 3-season patio doors. You have the screens for nicer weather, and then if you just want the view, you have the nice glass doors behind it. The 3-season patio doors is an option, so make sure you talk to your salesperson on that. And coming into the garage, we have our overhead bed here. It's a queen size overhead bed on the electric Happy Jack system. We have the 2 sofas that are folded up, or you can just fold them down to the side. There's a couple of different ways that you can set this up. There's plenty of hooks here on the ground to tie down everything you're going to put in here, your golf cart, your quads, your dirt bikes, your motorcycles. There's plenty of tie downs for all of your toys. Now with this garage, this I believe is a 12-foot garage, and there's plenty of lighting. You get plenty of storage space up above here. There's your second door that we saw on the outside. That's the nice feature. But what I really want to talk about is the side patio right out here. Now, my favorite part about this trailer, this side patio. And, you know, it's got a nice textured finish. It has your nice wraparound safety railing, just like you get in the back or on any other toy hauler that has a patio system. But this has a second patio right here on the side, under the awning. And even me at 6 foot tall, I've got plenty of space under this awning. You can set up a couple lawn chairs out here. I would personally set mine up right here so I can open up this door so I can get to my outside refrigerator. Now, moving forward from the garage, this 3412 is easily one of my favorite toy haulers. You know, you get the side patio, you get a nice 12-foot garage, you get the rear patio, you get nice hard solid countertops, nice seating, you get an ottoman and a slide. This thing is just perfect with the layout. You can't really beat it with everything that this offers. Nice residential fixtures. You get a nice big barn style sink, stainless steel. Nice hardwood counter or cabinets, stainless steel microwave. This thing is huge. Range and stove inside. Plenty of drawer space for all of your storage. This thing is super cool. Coming on over here, you get this huge, and talking about storage, you get this absolutely huge pantry. I mean, you can walk in this thing, a walk-in pantry in a toy hauler. That is something you'll hardly see anywhere else. You know, to have this big a space, to have that deep of shelves in there with a pantry and a toy hauler, man, that's cool. Kind of walking around, you get nice little button here that powers up your inverter. So this is going to have inverter power. Coming around to the entertainment center, nice TV, 5100 BTU fireplace, nice for knocking off the edge of the cold on those colder mornings, colder evenings. And one of the other cool features they have here is it actually has a vacuum. Now, coming over to the slide room in the main living area, you get this nice love seat. This thing actually is a hide-a-bed. So when you move the nice ottoman out of the way, this thing actually will fold out into a full-size bed. Nice big windows. These are going to be your night roller shades. They're vinyl. They're good quality material, and it actually offers very well darkening for the room. Now, coming towards the bedroom, you have the bathroom. Really tall shower. Nice tall shower. It has a skylight, has a shower curtain. One of the things that you get as a nice upgraded feature in the XLR Hyper Lites is you get a porcelain toilet. Nice location on everything in here. It's got plenty of space. And then coming over to the other side, you get your medicine cabinet, some storage underneath, and you have your nice deep sink there. Now, last room that we have here in the XLR Hyper Lite, the 3412, is the bedroom. Really, really nice bedroom here. We have big windows, as you see right up here in the front. That's the nice big windshield that we saw around out front. It is tinted. There is a roller shade that comes down so you can have your privacy. This is going to be a residential queen size bed, so it's a full 60 by 80 size queen bed. You have 110 outlets on each side. This side has USBs, but you have plenty of space next to the side of the bed that has plenty of room for your CPAP machines, water, phone, anything that you keep next to your bed when you sleep. As you see, it's got plenty of space for that. And that does wrap it up here for the 3412. Again, this is the 2022 XLR Hyper Lite 3412 that features a side patio. If this is interest to you, then go ahead and give us a call over here. Talk to your salesperson. There's so many options that you can pick on one of these things. So make sure you talk to them about all of those options and make sure that you can get this thing kind of custom tailored to what you're going to need it for. And To get a hold of me directly, you can reach me at 937-843-4380. Thanks.